Good afternoon, and let's look at the midday movers in trade, starting with the real estate space where we have Godrej Properties, Kolte Patil, Developers, Oberoi Realty. All these stocks are buzzing in trade. Godrej Properties is up more than 10% or around 10% in trade, and it's up most in 20 weeks. While Kolte Patil is also up 8%, Oberoi Realty is up 6%. Now this is on the back of the news that the Maharashtra government is temporarily reducing the stamp duty on flats from 5% to 2% till December 31st, while from 1st Jan to 31st March, their stamp duty will be at 3%. So surely coming in as a positive move, some positive sign over there, surely to boost the demand for real estate, which has been weak. We are seeing that, the stocks are buzzing in trade. Now, moving on to tobacco stocks, let's look at Godfrey Phillips, VST Industries. Both these stocks are buzzing. Now, the Parliamentary Committee has suggested that the government is to impose 1% tax on cigarettes, and will allow around 100% FDI in tobacco production as well as cigarette manufacturing to boost India's major cash crop. So, coming in as that boost, we are seeing some positive signs over here. Though ITC is quite flattish, not reacting much in trade, but these other two stocks surely are buzzing in trade. Godfrey Phillips is up most in 18 weeks and is up as much as 9% in trade today. Even BSC Industries is up around 2-3% in trade today. Moving on to HAL. Now this is one of the top losers that we are seeing today in trade. It's down as much as 13%, and it's one of the biggest percentage drop that the company's stock has seen since March 23rd. So surely a tough time over here, and this is coming in as the company said that the government is looking to sell stake up to 15% via OFS, that's offer for sale, on 27th and 28th August, that's today and tomorrow, and the floor price for this will be around 1001 per share. So surely we're going to keep a close eye on the stock today as well as tomorrow as well, and what actually pans out, how is it actually trading tomorrow as well. Now moving on to M&M, that's Mahindra and Mahindra, we are seeing that the company has signed a non-bidding MOU to explore the development and manufacturing of electric commercial vehicle with REE Automotive. That's an Israel company, so they are partnered with that, and this is mainly going to, the partnership will support REE Automotives for global customer needs of around 2 lakh to 2,50,000 for electric commercial vehicles over the next few years. So surely we'll look out for the synergies for Mahindra as well, and today the stock is buzzing in trade, up as much as 4% in trade. Moving on to Blue Star. Now the company's stock is up around 3 to 4% in trade, and this is on the back of the news that Blue Star has won an order of 149 crores for the Mumbai Metro, and the stock is slightly on a positive side, moving as much as 3% in trade on the back of this order win as well. Lastly, we have ICICI Bank, which is buzzing in trade as the board has approved the sale of 64.4 lakh equity shares of ICICI Securities through open market sale, and this represents around 2% of the stake in the company, and that is mainly due to complying with the rules of the minimum public float of the company. So that is mainly due to what was required by the rules, and that is why they're doing this stake. That is why the board has approved the sale, so that in ICICI Securities, so that is why we're looking at the stock a bit slightly positive move with around 1-2% in trade, and these are the stocks that have been buzzing in trade today.